fun.
Grace, what are you doing?
I'm frying chapatis.
What are you frying them in?
In the pan, and I'm using oil.
I thought we were using fat.
Yeah, it's fat because it's storage. Yeah. Yeah, I'm using fat.
How many times have you cooked chapati before?
So many, I can't count them.
Yeah?
Yes.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Yeah, this I think.
Chapati is your favorite thing to cook?
Yeah.
Even though they take a long time?
They take a long time, but I enjoy cooking them. Because they are my best food, so...
Are they your favorite food?
Yeah.
Do you like them with honey?
Them with...
Honey?
Yes, with honey, they are the best. I enjoy it. I just tried recently and I like them.
What do you usually eat chapati with?
What?
What do you eat chapati with?
With any soup or with tea or with any drink. Yeah. Or even vegetables.
It's a very labor-intensive process, but they're really good.
What?
Almost like a tortilla, but much better. Because these don't have eggs in them.